third question. It takes 24 hours to fill a swimming pool using the two pipes. Okay, if the pipe of large diameter is used for 8 hours and the pipe of the small diameter is used for 18 hours, only half of the pool is filled. Okay, how long would each pipe takes to fill the swimming pool? So it's taking a time taken. How long it's take to fill that? Okay, by using two pipes. So what is a pipe taking the hours? So I am taking the large pipe diameter of the pipe taking x hours, the small diameter of the pipe taking y hours respectively. So what they mention, so x hours means I am converted 1 hour. So x hours. So 1 hour large pipe can fill equal to, so 1 by 1 full, right? 1 by, in this place I am having a x, moving this place, so denominator x, so 1 by x. So in this place I am having y, so 1 hours, the smaller pipe can fill, so 1 full, so 1 by y. So what they mention, in 24 hours to fill a swimming pool using the two pipes. So two pipes using two, you are filling a swimming pool, right? So I converted to 1 hour, the two pipes can fill by equal, this 24 is going in this place, 1 by 24. Okay, that's the concept, because filling a one full, okay, that's only 1 by 24. Then addition of this, what, 1 hour large pipe plus 1 hour 1 by y equal to 1 by 24 hours. Okay, if you know about the word problem, you can understand. So 1 by x plus 1 by y, already in 8th standard you studied about this. Okay, so first equation. Then what they mention, if the pipe of a large diameter is used for 8 hours, so if you are having a 1 hour means 1 by 8, so 8 hours means 8 by x. Okay, so 8 by x plus the pipe of the smaller diameter is used for 18 hours. So 18 into 18, 18 hours means 18 by y is equal to, only half of the pool is filled. They already mentioned half of the pool. So 1 by 2 pool is filled. So this is second equation. Okay, this is a normal. Generally, it's taking a 24 hours to fill by using the pipe, big pipe and small pipe. So 8 hours for a big pipe, 18 hours for a small pipe. So fill half of the pool. Okay, I need equal to 0 equation. So for my convent, I am converted 1 by x equal to a, let, and 1 by y equal to b. Then what we have, 1 by x means a plus, first equation we are writing, plus b, what I am having, 1 by 24. So for my convenient, what I am having, it's a cross multiplication, 24 is moving in this place. So 24a plus 24b equal to 1. This is the third equation. Okay, so no need to third equation. So 24a plus 24b e minus, this is moving this place, equal to the third equation, because your equation should be equal to 0. That's the main purpose, right? Taking like this. So taking a second equation, 8 by x. So 8a plus 18b is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So cross multiplication, both the term. Okay. So 2 into this term. 2 into 8a plus 18b equal to 1. So multiply. 2 8s are 16a plus 2 into this 36b. This one is coming in this place. This is a fourth equation. Okay, in this place a, this is for y, this is for c. Okay, so I need a x, y, for your convenient you are writing 1. Okay, so what's the y in this place? B, 24 and 36. And 36 and minus 1, minus 1. Then 24, 16. Then 24, 36. but we are using a ABC, right? So writing A, B, because we learned about that XY, that's why I'm write that. Then change this. This is a A and B variable we are using, right? So cross multiply A by 24 into minus 1 minus of minus 1 into 36. Then this term B by 1 into 16 minus 24 into minus 1 equal to 1 by 24 into 36 minus 16 into 24, right? Then what's the A value? So minus into plus, minus 24, minus into minus plus 36 equal to B by 1 into 16, 16, minus into minus plus 24, 24 into 36, 24, 36, 6 4s are 24, 2, 6 6 are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 3 4s are 12, balance 1, 3 2s are 6, so 7, 4 6, 8, 864 minus 16 into 24, 4 6 are 24, 2, 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2 plus 3, 4 8 3, so 3 8 4, so 3 8 4 0. So in this place minus into positive, minus 16 plus 24 equal to, multiply and get this, and subtraction of this is a 12, subtraction of this is 8, subtraction of this 480, and A by 12. So we already know, right, the first term equal to last term. So A by 12 equal to 1 by 480, B by 8 equal to 1 by 480. So cross multiply, so 12 by 480. So in 12 table, 48 for 4 times 0 as it is, so 1 by 40. B equal to cross multiply 8 by 480. In 8 table 48 is 6. This is for 0. Okay. So 1 by x equal to A. Now we already know about this. So what's the A value? 1 by 4, 1 by 40. So cross multiply. So in this place moving 40. So 40 equal to x. So x equal to 40. So B is equal to 1 by 60. Right? 1 by 60. So 1 by 60. So cross multiply, I am getting a 60, right? So y equal to 60. The time taken to fill the swimming pool for larger and smaller pipe is taking up 40 hours for larger pipe and 60 hours for the smaller pipe. That's it. Okay.